All right, next up on the Slido is Steward report cards or Steward health cards. If anyone who worked on that project, Fred, Scott, etc., is there, would love to give you 5 minutes.
Absolutely. So let me share my screen. Hey everyone, happy to be here representing the MMM workstream together with Brittany. We just launched Steward report cards last week. This product is it's an effort to increase the transparency of the DAO by showing publicly available data, aggregating data of each steward and showing it as report cards or health cards, and also like linking to valuable data. So we're live at both ENS at stewards.eth.limo and DNS at DAO-stewards.xyz. So yeah, so each steward has a card with information about how long they've been stewards, the amount of forum posts, if they're involved with any work stream, their voting weight, and their voting participation. You can also click on these links. So if we go with Trenton, for example, this is his Gitcoin account, how long he's been a steward. It links to his introduction on the forum, forum post, workstream involvement, voting weight. This links to tally, vote participation. This is off-chain voting from Snapshot. So as you know, there's both off-chain and on-chain voting. The governance aspect of GitcoinDAO takes place at Snapshot as off-chain voting. So that's the metric we display on the cards. The on-chain voting on tally is also being collected, and we use that when we calculate the overall health score of each steward. So health score is a range from 0 to 10. The calculation of this is described in the governance post at the very top. So we use both the amount of forum posts in relation to how long they've been a steward. I've also used if they're involved within a work stream, and their vote participation both on Snapshot and on tally, and use this to calculate an overall health score. Yeah, and this is built entirely in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so there's no framework being used. You can take a look at the repo over at mmmgtc/stewards. And yeah, not sure how many minutes I have left, but that's pretty much it.
Thanks so much. You have a minute and a half left. Are there any calls to action for people or other things you want the group to know?
Basically, we are trying to improve the cards any way we can. So with added metrics, we're looking into using attendance to calls like this call, or the amount of posts on Discord and Telegram and so on as well. If we are comfortable, we can do this in a fair way. So yeah, maybe I guess feedback on how we can make these give a even better picture of each steward and their involvement. And yeah, oh, I forgot to mention, we have a search function, which is awesome. You can search for a steward, let's say Bob, and automatically the URL changes towards like the thing you insert into the search bar. So you can share a card like this, type Bob, and you can share this link and it will link to Bob's card, or you can put in a work stream, public goods funding, and you get the stewards working on being involved with that work stream. So you can easily share one card or a group of cards. And we're also looking into using or implementing a way of sorting these cards. Right now they're sorted in the same way as tally, so by voting weight. it would be very handy to also sort by, let's say, health or participation or forum posts and so on. So yeah.
All right. Thanks so much, Fred. Snaps for stewards cards.